Hey, what's up, folks? We're back again real quick. So this is a fresh out the shower beard routine I'm gonna show you. So I'm taking the Ahab. It's a 24 karat gold hair and body butter, that limited edition, of course. So you gotta make sure you get enough on your finger there. Now what you're gonna do, just apply it onto the beard. You can also do the same thing for your hair. There's no true difference between the beard and the hair care maintenance routines that I do. I guess the biggest thing would be the way I protect it at night, because the beard, well, night and day, because your beard, since you're out and about, gravity will push the oils away, down towards the ends, which is really great for helping getting that moisture there, but you can lose a lot. When it comes to the top of my head, of course, the gravity pushes the oils down to my scalp, which of course is extremely beneficial because I need to make sure my scalp is well moisturized, but you also have to make sure the tips are done too. So, that's why I use a bonnet or a satin pillowcase, the beard guard as well and whatnot. So anyway, got the butters in there. Butters are in good. Now I take the comb, pull out the Boss Mick comb. That's my son's comb. I stole it from him. He's asleep. He don't care. It's cool. And I'm going to use that right there just to go ahead and, oh my goodness, that feels good, doesn't it? So one of the things about using a wooden comb is when you're using it, it does an amazing job of helping stimulate that blood flow, massages the skin and whatnot. And that massaging is very therapeutic. I don't know if you've ever had anyone just play in your hair or like massage your scalp, but it feels very, very therapeutic. And the same thing for my beard, because my chin's never touched. So if it's something that's never touched, it feels really good to have this, just that feeling right there. So right now I'm not even trying to detangle. I'm simply just massaging the oils into my beard skin, my chin skin, and allowing that to do its thing. Now I'm detangling, getting a little fluffy and whatnot, letting the oils get to the end. And that's how I end this night's routine. So any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them in the comments below. See ya.